Okay, it's a rev your engine. It's morning time for me. It's workout time for you. You're gonna need a pair of weights that are challenging for the upper body. We're gonna use them pretty much only for the upper body and a little bit of cardio if you would like. It's an option available to you. We're doing 1-minute rounds for cardio, a variation of the burpee, so prep yourself. And the legs are intense but sweet. Let's stand it up. Let's get going. If you've got a heart rate monitor, I would like you to pick something like, cross training. We're mixing it up as always. Press start. All right. And then I would like you to just get your hands behind your head. Yeah, I'm going to turn to the side so you can kind of see what I'm doing. And I want you to tilt forward and just a different warm up today. Yeah, make sure you're bending those knees. Yes, just tilt forward. Good job. Now, squeeze the shoulder blades together so the elbows are as wide as they can possibly be. So we're doing like an isometric warm up for the upper body here. Good. These are like a variation of like deadlift and a good morning. Yeah, perfect. Give me a few more, your own pace for these warm-up moves. We're doing some dynamic stretches. Excellent job, catch your breath, stand still. All right, now find your balance, weight on the right leg, and you kind of just want to swing that left leg. Notice how my foot was turning out there? Try not to do that. Keep it nice and straight. Flex that foot. So we're warming up that tibialis. Yeah? With an isometric. Good. Just about 30 seconds here. A bit longer. Use those hands for balance however you need them. All right, switch it out. Put all the weight on the left leg. Nice. That's it. Try and get that foot straight. Mine's kind of turning out. Get it straight. About 10 more seconds here. Swing that leg. Good. I know, find your balance. That's it, good job. Nice. All right, reset. All the weight on that right leg. We're going to open up. Imagine there's something you need to get your foot over. Yeah? 30 seconds here. Lift that knee as high as you can. Get that foot over. That's it. Use those hands as much as you need. And switch it out. We're taking it back and around. Big hip circle. 30 seconds. Nice. That's it. Excellent. Another 15 seconds here. Use those hands however you need to for balance. Good. Here we go. Big hip. Big lift. One more. Good job. All right. Just open and close the upper body. And now add the movement of the head if you can. So if that means you've got to slow down the movement so you don't get dizzy or disoriented in any way. So we want some movement in the upper back. And we want to round that chest, move it down into mid-back. Moving the head to start warming up the cervical spine. Look up. Movement. Good job. Maybe another 20 seconds. If it's becoming too intense with moving the head, stop moving the head. Yeah? Up to you. Maybe every other. Because we want some movement there. Good job. Another 10 seconds. That's it. Connect with your breath. Maybe some nasal breathing. Good. Shake it out. All right, I'm going to turn to the side. You keep facing me. All right, we want to tap the knees to the ground. So if you need to put your hands on the ground, that's okay. Down and up. tap the knees on the ground. Now, if you can do it without putting the hands on the ground, that's okay too. You can try that. Yeah. Or if you need one hand, that's okay. That's it. Doesn't matter the pace. Doesn't matter. Your own pace. It's your warm-up. That's it. Good options. Good options. That's it. Nice job, Doris. Doris is getting down on the knees like this. That's perfect. That's perfect. I love it. Accommodations, so we keep moving. That's it. Good job. Give me about 5 more seconds. Excellent. I know these are not meant to be easy. Beautiful. All right, take a moment break. All right, let's just windmill those arms back. Slightly different stretches. Good. Different warm up. So we're moving those hands back. Really working that shoulder girdle. Good. All right, windmill them forward. Couple more exercises on the ground, and then we have done the warm up. Try not to hit anything behind you. That's just because I hit something behind me. That's it. Warming it up. Nice. Excellent. Nearly there. Keep going. Wing it around. That's it. Come forward with those arms. Beautiful. Shake it out. Now let's get to the ground on all fours. Okay. So we're going to lift that left hand only. So we're going to open and reach through. Your own pace for 30 seconds. This is really good for mid-back mobility. The part of the back that we tend to lose range of motion in because it's the part where we hardly work it. Nice job. Switch it out. Let's go to the left hand moving only. Open and reach through at your own pace. Did you just hear my back crack? Oh, sometimes that is the most amazing feeling. Yeah. Reach through, open it up. Give me a nice big twist as you can when you open. Just a few more. Good. Excellent job. All right. You're going to take your left leg forward. Yeah? And you want to drive that knee forward past the toe and rock back and forth. Part of it is also getting that knee over the toe and rocking back. 30 seconds here. Good. Push forward. Really get that ankle to compress. Yeah? Remember, when joints are fully compressed is when they really work well. Nice. Let's switch it out. This is the last exercise for the morning in our warm-up. Good. Push forward. Get that knee past the toe. Good. Now, when we're doing that, we want the heel to kind of stay down on the ground. Yeah, if it comes up ever so slightly, that's okay, but try and keep it down. All right, if it's coming up, that might mean that you need to do this type of stretch a little bit more often. Give me a couple more and we are finished. Oh, are you sweaty? I'm sweaty. All right, good job. Shake it out. Back onto all fours. Yeah, let's bring one leg forward and let's stand it up. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna start with our legs. Yeah. Okay. So you're gonna need some room in front of you, behind you, and a little bit to the side of you. Uh-oh, did I just give it away? Forward lunge, reverse lunge, curtsy lunge. All right, only the right leg is moving. The tightness is gonna build in that left leg, so the left leg is gonna be the leg that's gonna dominate the work, and it's because it's going to have to stabilize the body, all right? So I know we're gonna focus on moving the right, but it's the left. And so we wanna try not to move that. All right, so make sure you got some room, feel it out. Yeah, feel it out. All right, and then let's begin. Right leg only. Are we ready? 10, Okay, reverse lunge to begin. Let's go. 10. Take it forward. Take it to a curtsy. And stand. 9. Take it back. Take it forward. Take it to a curtsy. Now if you need to go slower than me, that's okay, but no faster. Reverse. 8. Forward. Curtsy. Reverse. 7. Forward. We're just tapping in the center. Curtsy, just to get our balance, our orientation. Reverse. 6. Lunge forward. Take it to a curtsy. Don't move that left leg. Take it back. Reverse. This is 5. Forward. Curtsy. Now you go as deep as you can without any discomfort. Take it back. 4. Forward. Curtsy. Nice job. Take it back. 3. Forward. Curtsy. Take it back. 2. We're there. Nice job. Forward. Curtsy. One more time and we are done this left side. Reverse. Forward. Curtsy. Good. All right, scooch it over. Give yourself some room, feel it out. Forward, back, curtsy. Are we ready? 10. Don't move that right leg. 3, 2, 1. Reverse. Tap it out. Forward. Curtsy. Reverse. 9. Forward. Curtsy. Reverse. 8. Forward. Curtsy. Take it back. 7. Forward. Try and control any wobbles. Curtsy. Good. Reverse. 6. Forward. Curtsy. 5. Take it back. Forward. Curtsy. We're past halfway. Reverse. 4. Forward. Curtsy. Good. 3. Reverse. Forward. Curtsy. Give me 2 more of each exercise. Let's go. Push into that right leg. Remember, that's the leg we're working, the one that's barely moving. 1 more of each. Reverse. Forward. Curtsy. Nice job. Catch your breath. Excellent. Grab your weights, please. All right, we're going to be doing some alternate movements. All right. So bicep curls, we're going to alternate. So right hand goes up, then the left. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Lift the chest, lift the belly in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, give me 1. Good job. Lean it forward. Tricep extensions, elbows high. Alternate as well. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Extend. 5. The work is when you lift it. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Stand tall. Upright row, alternate. 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 each one. Good. Prep it for that overhead press. Alternate. Let's go. 10, 9, fire up the core, 8, stabilize the body, 7, 6, 5, try not to rock, 3, we're done, come on, all the way up, one more of each, right then left, get rid of it. All right, we're gonna do the cardio without any weights for this round. It's an option. Okay guys, 1 minute, that variation of burpee. Those hands have to get to the ground. However you get there is fine. In 3, 2, 1. Come down, step it back, step up to standing. Good. Come down, step it back, step up to standing. That's it. Good job. All right, now stay standing, hop forward and back. We're in that second 15 seconds. All right, remember, if this hop is too much, just raise up on the heels. Yeah, raise the heels, raise up on the toes. Come on, good job, back to the burpee. Last time, it's a variation. Step back, hop back. Doesn't matter, up to you. The idea here is going up and down. Yeah? The challenge is taking the body onto the ground. All right, are you ready? That's it. I think I miscounted, but we're done. Your minute. We should have done another round of hops, but that's okay. Take a moment, catch your breath. Wipe. Drink, pay attention to the body. What's it telling you? Now, I know I say that and invariably your body's probably telling you, stop. So a little bit of discomfort is crucial, but it shouldn't be anything, should have no pain, okay, no ache. All right, maybe tired, maybe breathless, might be thirsty, so grab some water. All right, we have about 20 seconds left of rest. We start again. Now, if you want, you can grab a weight in round 2 for the legs, but what I would like you to try maybe is we're gonna eliminate that tap. All right, let's go. So feel it out, give yourself the room, and then don't move that left leg. Are we ready? Reverse first. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Reverse. Take it straight into a forward. Take it straight into a curtsy. Now center. Good. Let's do that again. 9. No tap. Center. 8. Reverse forward curtsy. 7. Reverse forward curtsy. 6. 5. Can you tap the knee to the ground? Maybe, maybe not. Okay? Let's go. If you're a little bit behind me or ahead of me, that's okay. Just reset in the beginning and then find the balance. Good. We have 3 more. Let's go. Try not to move that left leg. Try not to tap in between. 2 more of each. Reverse, forward, curtsy. If you still need to do the tap, that's okay. Reverse, this is it, last one. Forward, curtsy. Getting a little tighter into that leg. Shake it out. All right, feel it out. Yeah? Do you have the room that you need? Let's go. No tap. 3, 2, 1. Reverse, forward, into the curtsy. Control it. Reset. 9. Reverse, forward, curtsy. 8. Do what you need to maintain your balance. That's all part of the workout. 7. So you have to fire up the core for balance. And that's what we want. 6. Good, we are halfway. It's okay. 5. Can be a little bit ahead, a little bit behind. It's okay. 4. Good. 3. Ooh, ooh, did you see me rock and roll there? That's all right, that's part of the core. 2, reverse forward curtsy. Good. Bend those knees. Last one. Bend those knees. Good. Nice job. No break, just pick up the weights. Starting with the biceps. Alternating. 3, 2, let's start with the left hand first. Let's go. 10, 9, don't rock. 8, 7, 6, all the way down and up. 5, see how the weight's coming to my thighs? 3, 2, right and left, right and left, that's it. Good. Bend the knees, tilt it forward, elbows high. Starting with the left, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other hand, good. Come up, upright row, starting with the left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, come on, 3, are you alternating? 2, lift that elbow, 1 each side, good job, prep it for overhead. Left side first, 10, 9, 8, 7, suck the belly in, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, both sides. Nice job. Get rid of the weights. A moment break here. We're starting in 5. Modified burpee. 3, 2, 1. Come down, step back, step up. That's however you do that. Now if you want to jump back, you can. Come on, touch the ground. That's all. You can do this. Come on, you can do this. You don't have to jump back or step back if you don't want to, if that's too much. Yeah? But the idea here is to come and get those hands to the ground. However you need to do that. Yeah? However you need to do that. Good. All right, those little hops. Those little hops, come on. So we just did 30 seconds. We're gonna just do 30 seconds here. Hop forward and back. I know. That's it. Come on. Come on. I'd like you to do both legs together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute break. Nice. Should have a little bit of a sweat on. Maybe you want to curse me. So, one of the things we're doing here, okay, other than the fact that the burpee is really good cardio, we want the body down on the ground and then back up. We're teaching the body about mobility, okay? That's okay. You don't have to do as many as me. You can do more, you can do less, but you gotta do it, yes? So, I don't care if it takes you really long time and you gotta, come to the knees and then step back. Any variation that will allow you to do that. Yeah? All right, guys. Grab one weight. If you feel strong in those legs. Yeah? If you've got lower back, you might want to slow down here. I'm going to hold the weight on my chest to help with balance. I'm going to check for my space, and we're going to begin. 3, 2, 1. Let's go reverse, straight forward into the forward lunge, curtsy, find your balance, center. Let's go. 9, 8, reverse, forward, curtsy. If at any point you need to tap, go ahead. 7. Feel that left hip, glute, quad start to fire. Let's go. 6. 5. 4. 3. You are looking so good. Come on. A little faster than me, a little slower than me, it's okay. Yeah? Don't think about perfection, think about doing one more of each. Reverse, forward, curtsy. And it's okay if you mix it up. You know, you go forward instead of reverse. Reset. All right. Anchor that right foot. Check it. Make sure you got the room you need. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Reverse, forward, curtsy. Whew. Center. 9. Forward, curtsy. Tap it out. Good. 8. 7. Reverse, forward, curtsy. 6. 1/2. Let's go. 5. Reverse, forward, curtsy. Good. 4. Yeah. 3. 2. I know. This is like it's hitting all of it. 1 of each. Let's go. Oh, well done. Good. Grab the other weight if you had that. Alternating, starting with the right. 3. Now, steady the body, work the core. 2, 1, right first. 10, 9, all the way up and down. 8, 7, 6, 5, come on. 4, 3, 2, full range. Good. Bend the knees. Tilt forward. Put the elbows up. Right first. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, extend. 6, lift that wrist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 each. Nice job. Drop the weights. Come. Use the glutes. Pull yourself up. Upright row. Right first. 10, 9, look at it from the side. 8, 7, 6, stabilize. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Set up for overhead. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more each. Good job. Take a moment, reset. Oh, let's have that weight. Let's have that weight this time. Just pick one. 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go, burpees. Put it down, step back, hop back, pick up the weight a little bit harder. Your pace, as fast and as slow as you want. Now, when you come to standing, suck the belly button in. Good. All right, put that weight down. Now, hop over the weight. You can kind of fake it. 15 seconds. See how I'm bringing my legs to the side? 15-second burpees. Come on. Pick that weight up. It's a little bit harder, that's all. And if you don't want to pick the weight up, don't. Good. Last 15. Hop over the weight. Good. 1 minute break. Catch your breath. Wipe drink. Maybe this is your last round. We'll see how we get through, okay? All right, guys. We have about 25 seconds. How are you feeling with that one weight? Was it too much? Don't pick it up. Was that like, oh, maybe that's challenging, but I feel like I could go heavier? No issues with the lower back? Pick up the 2 weights. All right, I'm gonna try it with the 2 weights. This time I'm gonna hold them on either side of the body. That will help me with balance. I'm gonna set my left foot. I'm gonna test it out, see if I've got the room that I need. 3, 2, are we ready? 1, let's go. Reverse, forward, curtsy, reset. That was 1. Reverse, forward, curtsy, reset. That's 2. Reverse, forward, curtsy. That's 3. Let's go. 4. 5. 6. A little harder for me to balance with the 2. That's okay. That's okay. 7. Reverse, forward, curtsy, reset. 8. 9. 10. Oh, well done. Well done. Good. I felt that. Good. Let's anchor that right. Test it out. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Reverse. That's it. Forward. Curtsy. 1. Reverse. Forward. Curtsy. 2. Reverse. Forward. Curtsy. Only tap where you need. 3. Let's go. 4. 5. Halfway. 6. 7. 3 more of each. 8. 2 more of each. Yes, 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 yes. 1 more of each. You are a rock star. Good. Grab your weights if you don't already have them. Left hand first. 3, 2, bicep curls, steady the body. Let's go. 10. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Tilt, hinge, bend those knees, elbows close to the body, near the back. Left first, let's go. 10, 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, release, stand tall, upright row, left hand first. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Prep for overhead. Left first. 10, 9, come on. Good job. Oh, good. Moment break. Keep one weight. One minute cardio. All right. Use your variations. I know. Don't say, oh, I can't do it like that. You can do it your way. All right. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 15 seconds of burpees. Picking up that weight if you can. If it's too much on the lower back, then pick it up every other. Pick it up every third. Don't pick it up at all. Come on. Let's go. Good job. Hop over that weight for 15 seconds. Good. Burpees for 15 seconds. Suck the core in when you come to standing. That'll help flatten the lower back and protect it. Engage it. Good. Last 15 seconds. Hops. Good job. Rest. 1 minute break. Oh, all right. Catch your breath. All right, guys, we are almost done. I know I started a little late. You're gonna need one weight for the core. We've done a lot of core work. One of the benefits of alternating movements, all right? Have to really steady the core, but we're gonna add on and we're gonna come down onto the ground. Get a sip of water. You'll need one weight. I think that upper body weight should be fine. We're gonna be doing some around the world. So if you feel like your lower back can't take it, maybe getting a lighter weight here or doing the exercise with no weight is still gonna benefit. All right, let's go. We're in a kneeling position. Do you remember around the world? I know normally I say these are around the world. Maybe I should, I call them orbitals. That's what we're gonna do. But the trick with this orbital, I'm gonna move back so you can see me a little bit better. If you need to put something under the knee to help with like any type of discomfort, you can roll up your towel, okay? That's not a good roll. Make sure it's nice and even. Yeah, you don't want like a seam under the knee. That will just add pressure. All right. Okay, so here's the aim without weights. We're going to do an orbital, and then you're going to reach. The object here is to reach as far from the body as you can. Okay? And we're going only in one direction. Just 10. Grab the weight if you need it, if you think you need it. All right? So we're going up and around, over the right, over the left, reach towards the right. Okay? Both hands to begin, and then you have to transition when you're reaching to just your left hand. And the idea is to pull the belly in and give me a twist and a reach, working that oblique. Into the lat, into the back. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Around, orbital, and reach. One hand. 10, back to center. Can you tap the ground? Orbital, reach. 9, let's go. Orbital. 8, orbital. 7, come on, elbows high. 6, let's go. One hand. 5, can you tap it a little further? If you can't tap, that's okay too. 4, just reach it out to the side. 3, ooh, I'm getting a little closer and closer. 2, one more, good job. That's it. Now just 10 orbitals. We're just going to go round and round. Keep the hands together, both hands on the weight. 3, 2, 1. 10, keep going in that direction. 9, drop the weight to the hip. 8, 7, 6, 5, good job, 4, that's it, 3, 2, good job, give me one more, elbows high, close to the head, take a moment, you might need to scooch over, all right, so now we're going to go in the opposite direction. Yeah, over the left first, then the right, and then reach to the left. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, release, tap. 9, release, tap. One hand on that the reach. 8, 7, make sure you recenter. 6, 5, make sure you're getting that twist in, that reach. 4, make sure it's with one hand, and we'll be working that one side of the body a little bit more. 3, good job. 2, 1, I didn't want to reach. Good, reset both hands. 10, over the left shoulder first, let's go. 10, 9, make sure you're dropping it to the hip. 8, 7, elbows close to the head. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Put the weight to the side. Take a moment. Good. Maybe remove your towel or unfold it. And then find yourself in child pose. Toes touching, knees wide enough so that the abdominals can just rest on the inner thigh. Reach the hands forward for me. Lift the head, chin up. Yeah, I know. Might not be able to go as low. Right, we're stretching. Compressing that neck in the back. Reaching, push through the shoulders, the armpits. Nice job. Now, you're going to come up a little bit and you're going to reverse the position of the hands. So there were palms down in the front, palms up in the back. And you're going to put the forehead on the ground and you're going to let the shoulders round over the knees. And relax right here. Now is a really good time to thank your body. Hey body, thank you. Good. One more deep breath in. And exhale. Take the hands, place them under the shoulders, and push yourself up into a seated position. Good. Come onto all fours for me. Excellent. All right. You're going to take your right leg forward. So we're not going to do any dynamic stretching. We're just going to do some static stretch. So again, knee over the toe, and you want to lean forward on it. Now, if you have your hands on either side of the foot, that's okay. If you have your hands on one side of the foot, that's okay. All right. When you do this with the hands on the inside, you let the hip open a little bit more. So maybe if you feel like you need a hip opener, this would be a good time to have the hands here. If it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. All right. Push forward on it for me. Make sure that knee's over the toe. Hold it there for 3, 2, 1. Good job. You're going to push back, and you're going to straighten that right leg, and you're going to pull that right toe in. It's a hamstring stretch. Yeah? You want to flatten the back, head up, chin up. Again, if you have the hands on the inside, that's all right too. Now, I want you to think about the butt. Push the butt back. Chest up, back flat. Why is this harder? Because head up, yeah, allows you to flatten out the back a little bit more, and that means the glute is being pulled, and the glute can only pull the hamstring. Nice job. Hold it there. Big inhale, exhale, come forward on it, release. Let's switch out legs. However you need to do that, that's fine. Okay, take your time. Let's come forward. Make sure the knee passes the toe. Now I'm going to turn to the side. I'm going to show you something that is done to help the ankle. Sometimes when they're pushing that knee past the toe, you'll see people pulling and pushing on that tendon and that ligament in the front of the ankle. And you're pushing on it to allow it to stretch a little bit more to give you that push forward. All right, so maybe you might want to pull on those ligaments and tendons, okay, to help that knee get into that completely flexed, because it's the ankle that's going to allow that. Good. Again, if the hands were on the inside for the right leg, put them on the inside for the left leg. We want it to be fair and square, even, Steven. All right, are you ready? One more breath in. Nice exhale. Good job. We're going to stretch out that hamstring. All right, so you want to flex that toe. Good. Back flat, chest up, chin up, lengthen. Yeah. Maybe you don't go as deep. That's okay. You're going deeper into the quad. You might not see it in the position of the body, but it should be more intense by flattening that back. Push that chest forward. Head up. Good. Hold it there. Hold it there. Look at that toe. Where is it? Are you pointing the foot? That toe should be straight up to the ceiling. Mine's not quite straight up, but you know, the intention is there. Good. The more you flex on that, again, that's because the calf will pull on the hamstring as well. One big inhale and exhale. Come out of it. Nice job. Excellent. All right. Push back into that deep primal squat for me, please. Heels down. If you can get those elbows to push on the inside of the knee, right here, prayer arms. All right, what you want here is chest up, butt down. I'm going to turn to the side, okay? Now, where your feet are, you can play around with it. Mine tend to be a little bit wider. It's harder for me when my feet are narrow, okay? But you can play around with this deep primal squat. The object here is those hips. They're completely bent. Good job. All right. Release it maybe a little bit. Find some breath, some energy, and come to standing. That's it. Okay, let's do a nice quad stretch. Ooh, balance. Good. Now you're going to lift that left hand up over the body, and when you lift, you're going to really think about the space right here. Stretch. Hold it. Big breath in, and exhale. Good job. Bring that thigh into the abdominals. Find your balance. Good. Rotate that ankle. Good. Other direction. Excellent. All right. Now that hip circle. Yeah. That's it. One more. Beautiful. Let's transition to the left quad stretch. Hand out to the side first. Reset. The tendency here is we kind of tilt. We don't want that. And now think about that distance. Raise that hand up over the head. Stretch. Nice. That was really beautiful. Beautiful. Big breath in. And exhale. Good. Release it. Take that thigh to the abdominals. Yeah, find your balance. Oh, I'm better on this side. Rotate that ankle. 3 big circles and then in the other direction. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Shake it out. Stretch out your bicep. Beautiful. Shoulder. Tricep. Excellent. And release it. We're nearly there. Bicep. Shoulder. Pull that shoulder down and away. Yeah. Tricep. Oh, excellent. Good job. All right. A stretch that we haven't done in a while. So place your weight on your right leg. You're going to take your left leg behind and you're going to reach up and over with that left hand. So make sure you're not leaning forward on it. We want to get that oblique. I would say better to lean back and to the side than forward. Reach. Good. Deep breathing. Make sure you can breathe in these stretches. A little harder for me this one. Good. And shake it out. Set it up for the other side. Last stretch. So plant the weight in the left. Take the right behind. Square the body. Up and over. Now, wherever you're at, lean back. Take that right shoulder back. Good. And exhale. Nice job. Just shake it out for me, please. 3 big inhales. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Happy, happy day. Big inhale. In with the good. Take it down to the heart of the matter, because that is the muscle that never, well, I guess it does stop, but you know what I mean. It's a workhorse. Thank you so much for working out with me. Have a fabulous day. I hope you are sweaty, and I hope you get a little sensation in the hips later on. Awesome job. So good to work out with you.